everyone, welcome back to the Awesome Physio YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking you through a routine on how to use a massage gun to help with plantar fasciitis. So plantar fasciitis is defined by inflammation, degeneration of the plantar fascia underneath the foot, so absolutely vital for that shock absorption and support into the arch of the foot, and can be incredibly painful and incredibly debilitating when it is triggered in different individuals. So I'm going to be using a Theragun on how I would relieve that pressure, so adding on from other exercise videos that we've done. So we're going to be using the wider head of the massager gun, so the puffy head, in order to get that movement and blood flow into the area. And then we're also going to be using, again very carefully because I know it's very tender, a specific point pressure with using the massager gun to help relieve some of that more specific tightness. So to start off the massage gun release routine, we want to do a general release into the plantar fascia. So we want to go from the heel all the way up into the toes. So you want to start on that medial arch, so the inner arch of the foot, and then working your way right the way across. So I would almost start heel to big toe, heel to second toe, and you're kind of working your way up, just a general release of tightness. So if you're doing this and you're finding it really uncomfortable initially, so particularly with the massager gun, I would maybe go back to the other stretching and movement videos that we've designed first, that you can find for plantar fasciitis. But if it's not feeling too sore, this is a great way to start to relieve tension in this area, and I'm aiming for about pressure of between 3 to 4, so it's not very strong and you can add it in over time. Next, we want to start to aim into the calf muscle, and the reason why is we've got your calf muscle coming down, obviously blending into that Achilles tendon, with the fascia blending down into the plantar fascia. So you find that if you've got a lot of tightness in your plantar fascia, it's really common that we've got a lot of tightness into the calf muscle as well. So we need to be doing a general release like before. So we're going from the Achilles right up to the back of the knee, and then same on the opposite side. So imagine two heads of the calf muscles. So you need to do the inner side first, moving from the Achilles up to the back of the knee for about 30 seconds up and down, and then changing positions like you can see here to do the outer part of the calf muscle, again moving up from that Achilles right the way into the back of the knee. Once we've done this, we're going to change the head of the massage gun and we're going to go a little bit more specific. So what we would do, find the point of tightness and then just add the pressure and hold it there until you feel that tightness break down. So the pressure is very much specific to each person. Everybody's different. If it's really sensitive through there, like I said, I would do the other stuff first, or I would just reduce the amount of pressure going into the foot. So we want to add the general one first and then really specific release. Exactly the same with the calf muscle, so you want to look at both heads. So you're going to do the inner head first, finding that tender point, holding the specific pressure until we feel it release. And what it will feel like when you're palpating up through the muscles, it will feel like almost like a nodule, like a little lump in the muscle. That's where you want to add the pressure with the massage gun. Again, it can be very tender, gently add it in over time. You're then going to repeat on the opposite side, so we're going to turn round so that we can do the other side of the calf. So we're going to be releasing pressure on the outer head of the calf. I would aim to add this in with a stretching and mobility routine anyway, between 1 to 2 times per week.